Hello, YouTubers. This is another week where I want to deal with functions. I'm hoping that one person to quite a few people can learn a little bit about functions using JavaScript. It's going to be a simple function type, one which will take in variables and one which would just be a function that could just calculate the sum of two numbers, but doesn't expect a variable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by just putting in a few comments, clear my screen for us. Um, okay, so I just put it. I always like to annotate. If you've been listening to my videos from time to time, you notice I like to just make a habit of making comments, no matter how stupid it is. So I would. Oh, excuse me. There we go. So I'll just put this week we will be dealing with functions. Okay, the first one, function to function that does not expect a variable, and the second function, spelling, function that expects a variable. Okay, so the first one, we start by creating a function. Let YouTube is a year function. We just got it then. Function that will add a couple of years, individuals' years. I think that should do. It's just a simple demonstration of how we can use functions. Okay. Yeah. Func add do equals. Oh, this is an arrow function. So okay. Let in year 1 equals, let's say 45. Let in year 2 equals 55. Yeah. So they're both integers, so it should be easy to just add. Then what we do, let's year add equals in year 1 plus in year 2. We just return in year 1. Oh, sorry, what we'll do, we're going to return year add. Return year add. Return year add. So anytime we call this function, it would add both years and return the value. So what we can do, we can think of, I have done this before, so quite some time, so just go console log to display the content. Total of both years is, I'll just call the function year func add, which does not expect a variable. That should do it. Save. Let's see, clear my screen. And node. What's it called? Control copy. Let's see if it gives us. There we go. Total of both years is 100. So that's the first one. So the next challenge is to do the second, to a function that will expect a variable. So first of all, I'm going to comment this out. Let's comment that out. So, and then we declare our variables here. Let's year one equals, we just declare it as a number. Yeah. So the type would be a number. We can say integer. So we just say number. And we copy the same, we just call it year 2 in the next one. Let's see. Copy. V. That'll be 2 to be a number. So what we can do, create our function. Let's year add 2 year to add. So we open equals in year 1 in year 2, and that should do it. Let's just rid of the space. I think there's space there. Arrow function. So we same concept would be, we just let's add 2 equals in year 1 plus in year 2, and then we return the value. Return year 2. So that's what we're the function. So we're going to call it. So yeah. I think we can do this, so use the same method. So we just console log it. Console.log. Okay, console log. The total years, total of both years is, so we call the function year, year add 2, open, so we put our 2 variables in, which is x year 1, come on, x t year 1, x year 2. Let's see if that works. Never done it this way before. Hope it works. Okay, so 2. Save that. Let's see if that works. Both years are defined. Yeah, add to external problems. External, yeah, 1. Oh, this is a strange one. I've done this several times, but I've done this before, but I've never done it this way where I've just used a number. Let's see. It's ah, 45. This is probably where I've gone wrong. 55 is expecting it will, so I can still do it the same way. The same way. Let's see here. I can use the same return, yeah, to save that. Let's see. There we go. So that's basically it. It's because I put a number in there instead of putting the actual variable. So if I change that to 70, and we should be getting 125 if my addition is 125, if my addition is correct. Let's see, 125. Okay. I will be trying some more. I haven't used this method before. I've done it much simpler. I'm not an integrated console logs and putting a function in there. So as I said, I will continue to explore different ways of doing stuff. And just to make it real, I'm not inclined to script my videos, but hopefully you run through this with me and then we learn together. And thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.